10 tips to using castor oil for acne scars. Why is it good to use castor oil for acne scars? Castor oil acne scars. The fatty acids like omega-3 it contains will penetrate deeply through the epidermal layer of the skin to heal the scar tissue and erase the scars completely by promoting the growth of new skin cells. It draws out the dirt, bacteria, excess oil and other dead skin cells from the skin. It stimulates the lymphatic system, which enhances the lymphocytes number in the body that makes the skin less prone to scars. It effectively moisturizes the skin and increases the cell's regeneration. It stimulates proper blood circulation, calms the inflammation and detoxifies the healthy cells. It is enriched with unsaturated fatty acids, proteins, minerals and vitamin E that heals discoloration and reduces the acne scars. Different ways to use castor oil for treating acne scars. Follow these remedies to get rid of acne scars. 1. Castor oil. The application of the oil on its own helps to soften the scar tissue and thus reduces the inflammation. Process 1. Clean the affected area thoroughly with mild soap. Steam your face for a few minutes to open up the skin's pores. Apply a small amount all over the affected skin before bed. Massage gently for a few minutes so the oil penetrates deep into the skin. Leave on overnight and wash off the next morning. Repeat this process twice a day. Or you can also apply on scars and wrap with a plastic wrap. Then place a hot water bottle on it for about 20 to 25 minutes. Process 2. Pour the oil in a bowl and dip a clean cloth in the oil. Let it soak for a few minutes, then squeeze to remove excess oil. Place on the affected skin, avoiding eye areas. Leave for about 30 to 50 minutes and then remove from the skin. Do not wash your face after application as this oil does not clog the pores. Apply daily. Or apply black oil on the scars with a cotton ball and use a medical tape to hold it on the same place for a few hours a day. 2. Mix it with grapeseed oil. Mix equal quantities of castor and grapeseed oil and apply on the scars. Massage gently for a few minutes to spread the oil evenly. Leave it on for a few hours to overnight, then wash off thoroughly with water. Pat the skin dry and repeat the same process regularly. 3. Combine with coconut oil. Mix a few drops of organic coconut oil. Apply on the affected areas, massaging gently, and leave for a few minutes. Wash off and repeat the same process regularly. Or you can use olive oil instead of coconut oil but wash the face with warm water after 30 to 40 minutes. 4. Castor oil with vitamin E and D. Vitamins E and D are used to improve the appearance of scars. Extract the oils from 1 vitamin E and D capsules. Add 4 to 5 drops of the oil in it and mix it well. Apply this on the affected skin and massage gently for a few minutes. Leave for a few minutes and wash it off with water. Repeat regularly. 5. Combined with lavender oil, stir 2 to 3 drops of lavender oil in 2 tablespoons of oil. Apply on the affected skin and massaging gently. For more effective results, follow this process 3 times a day. 6. Castor oil with St. John's wort. St. John's wort has scar healing properties that reduce the scars very effectively. Mix 2 to 3 drops of wort oil in 2 tablespoons of oil. Apply on the affected skin, massaging gently for a few minutes. Repeat the same process twice a day. 7. Mixed with shea butter. This process is used to heal old acne scars on the skin. Mix oil with shea butter. Apply this on the acne scars and massage gently for a few minutes. Leave overnight and wash off the next morning. Follow this process regularly. 8. Castor oil with lemon. This face pack acts as a gentle scrub and removes dead cells, cleans and lightens skin and reduces the scars. Mix 1 tablespoon each of fresh lemon juice and oil. Apply on the affected areas and leave for a few minutes to dry. Before washing, massage the skin with 2 tablespoons of curd or green gram flour for 2 minutes. Wash off with water and dry the skin. You can use fresh tomato juice, pulp instead of lemon juice in this method. 9. Blended with baking soda, mix a small amount of baking soda in oil. Apply this mask on the affected skin. Apply regularly. 10. Castor oil anti-scar blend, mix 60 ml of jojoba oil, 24 ml of apricot kernel, 18 ml each of oil and evening primrose oil and 10 drops of vitamin E oil in a bowl. Apply this on the affected skin. Massage gently for a few minutes and wash off with water. Tips and precautions. Follow these tips and precautions for safe and quick relief from acne scars. Castor oil is not recommended for pregnant or lactating women, or people who have weak constitution or are suffering from diarrhea or anemia. It will take quite a few uses for results to start to show. Be sure to do a patch test first to make sure you are not allergic to it. Remember that it is thick in consistency, so you only need a small amount. Never ever apply it on the open areas of scars or on nostrils or eyes. You can also find many commercial scar reduction creams with castor as the main ingredient. For more effective results, use Jamaican black castor oil for acne scars. Be sure to protect your clothes or bed sheets while using castor as it could stain your clothes. You can also add tamarind oil in it to fade scars at a faster rate. Make sure to consult your doctor if you didn't find any relief from the acne scars.